Welcome to the channel. My name is Liz, and today I have a quick and efficient and effective core workout for you. This workout is not just crunches and sit-ups and boring ab exercises. We are working our entire core all around our torso, and we are adding resistance so that you are actually building muscle, building strength, and you don't have to do 100 million reps. All you need for this workout is a light long loop resistance band hooked up at knee height when you're standing. I'm going to use my hooks that I have drilled into the stud in my wall, or you can use something like this. This is a door anchor. It hooks into any door with a door frame and transforms it into your very own adjustable cable machine. Check out this. It's in our accessory bundle down below. I have a promo code. You can find these in a lot of different places. So useful. Best home workout hack. In this workout, we have 5 exercises. We're doing 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off, 2 rounds through. So let's get started. So I want you to set up your long resistance band like this, where it's a big long loop. Move away from your door anchor so that there's tension on the band, even when you're sitting up, pulling the band towards you. So sitting up tall, straight spine, bend in the knees, heels in the ground. I want you to lean back until you feel your core turn on. That's where we're gonna start with this first exercise. We're doing resisted Russian twists. So holding on to your resistance band, bringing it close to your sternum or your ribs, and we're getting into that position where our core is on and rotating in both directions. So really try and tap that elbow to the ground behind you, staying in that leaned back position. Think of your spine being one straight line and you're moving around it. Your spine is not moving, it's not curving, it's not going up and down, you're not sitting up in any way, you're staying leaned back. Feel that core working with this rotation. Awesome. Next, we're going to grab your resistance band and you're going to hook it at the top of your knees like this. So in this reverse tabletop position, you're going to get here, knees above your hips, and we're going to do a cross crunch, keeping that band pulling on your knees. We're working our lower core and we're adding some ab movement or some upper core as well with this crunch, reaching to the outside of the opposite knee. If you want to ditch the band and just work on this crunch, you can do that too. This just adds another level to it. Good. Awesome. Whew. Getting out of that, you're going to flip around. Grab the resistance band with our hand, and we're going to do a dead bug. So holding the resistance band above our chest, knees up like they just were, but now we are straightening one leg out and coming back. So make sure there's good tension on the band, low back pressing into the mat, really working our core here, flexing your feet, keeping the band up above your chest, not letting it slip above your head like that, keeping it really, or keeping the tension high. Awesome. Ooh. All right, next we're doing a side plank. So facing perpendicular to your band, I want you to hook your top leg in the band. We're here with our side plank, and we're going to add a resisted knee drive. So the top leg is driving up, elbow under our shoulder. And just add that little bit of tension. It doesn't have to be a lot. This is pretty advanced exercise, a lot of moving parts. Ditch the band if it's too much. but it's a great way to work the lower core as well, and the hip flexors. Okay, great. Other side. Switch legs. So just take that foot out of the resistance band. Hook it on your other one. And let's go. Sorry, I'm going to face away from you for these next 40 seconds. Make sure your hips are stacked on each other, pressing out through the shoulder so there's no neck pain. Oh, you got this. Keep going. Drive against that band. Pull the band up. You can do it. Awesome. And lastly, we are now going on our stomach for this last exercise. Get out of this band. This one is just body weight. Hands behind your head. We're doing a back extension and rotation. So tap your elbow to the ground and come back down. So go up, tap your elbow, and then back down. So up, center, then rotate, come back, and back down. Up, twist, back, down. All right. Let's do one more round, and then we're done. Starting with that Russian twist. All right, ready? So get in that position, straight spine, lean back, bring the band to your chest, and we're resisting against the band. Hold the twist for a second, really feel that pull on the band. Good, straight spine, looking up, keeping space between your chin and your chest. Good. Awesome. All right, now we're bringing the resistance band above our knees. Like so, hooking that there. And we're doing that cross crunch. Ready? Make sure your knees are not up at your chest. That the band will probably roll like that anyways. So make sure your knees are above your hips to really work those lower abs. Good. Last time we're doing these exercises. Good. All right. Let go of that. Let's do a dead bug. So swing around. Hold on to the band as tight as you can. Bring it above your chest. Knees up, low back in the ground. Let's go. If straightening your leg makes your low back come off the ground, start with just tapping your heel, okay? That helps keep your center of mass a little higher up, helps with your core. Straightening out your leg needs more core engagement. So find the way that works for you. Good. Awesome. Whew. All right. Side plank. Wrapping your foot up. So again, it's your top foot that is driving. Let's go. Hips stacked, shoulders stacked, so you're completely on your side. You're pressing up in this shoulder, adding that knee drive. Really working the obliques here. All right, let's do the other side. Take that foot out. Let's wrap the other ankle. I'm gonna face away from you again, sorry. Just close your eyes and really push through. You can do this. It's tough, but it's quick, and you're almost done. After this, you just have one exercise, and you're done. Okay. All right. Let's finish strong with that back extension and rotation. So laying on your stomach, toes in the ground, up, touch one elbow to the ground, straight, back down, up, rotate, center, down, up, rotate, center, down. All right, that's our core workout. Hope you loved it. My abs are feeling it already. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also like this video. It really helps me know what kind of workouts to write for you in the future. I'll see you next time on the mat.